Kunchita Paatham Saranam. This mantra has saved the lives of so many people. When the patient is critical and the doctors say we are trying our best and the rest in the hands of God, this mantra Kunchita Paatham Saranam is very helpful in reviving the patient. What happens in the patient? Heart chakra Anahata and Manipuraha, the solar plexus, become overactive. That is, the fire element is fanned by the air element, producing more fire in the body. It is almost like a forest fire. When both become very high, the Samana, the balancing prana, becomes totally inactive. The chanting of this mantra activates Samana, normalizes air and fire element, and the physical equilibrium is re-established, restored. Remember, all the alphabets of the mantra or the petal mantras of heart chakra, solar plexus chakra and hara chakra. The seed mantra of the first letter Ku is Kam, the petal mantra of the heart chakra. Understand, the revival of the patient depends on his free will, that is indicated by the petal mantra Kam. It also is helpful in certain life situation. When one is restless, anxious, this mantra Kunchita Paatham Saranam is useful. After heated argument with someone, one can chant this mantra to normalize his chakras. When one is frustrated, thinks that nothing is working, this mantra can be helpful. This mantra stabilizes one in life.
Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Saranam Saranam Kunchita Paatham, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Saranam Saranam Kunchita Paatham, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Saranam Saranam Kunchita Paatham, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Saranam Saranam Kunchita Paatham, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Saranam Saranam Kunchita Paatham, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Kunchita Paatham Saranam, Saranam Saranam Kunchita Paatham.